Hello, this is Jyoti and Shivkumar Bankar. We had a biggest dream of owning a house, and when we set up our house, interior designing had a very important role to play, and we had a very big challenge of finding a perfect interior designer for our house, and we visited n number of interior designers before choosing Dream Dots. We told them what we need in our house and what we don't need in our house. We explained the dreams and they made sure our dreams came true. We wanted to make sure our house doesn't has a clumsy look, or it doesn't have too many things occupied. At the same time, we wanted few things which highlights the house. We wanted different colors, but still we wanted light and elegant colors. As we enter the hall, we have a beautiful swing hanging. This swing gives an antique look to this hall. Also, to complement this look, we have a beautiful false ceiling. When we wanted to decide regarding the TV unit, we wanted to make sure it looks simple and elegant. We didn't want too much of woodwork, we didn't want too many colors, and we ended up with a marble looking laminate which gave a very elegant look to our TV unit. When we enter the house, we didn't had a foyer area, so we wanted to decorate the first wall being seen through the door. That's when we decided we'll have a stone cladding which also comes along with crockery unit. As we enter to our left, we have a guest bedroom. We didn't want to make this room flashy, bright or catchy. When we informed Dream Dots about all these requirements, they came up with this beautiful color combination which we were very happy with. And we went for these colors. As this is the third bedroom, we wanted to make sure we have enough space, and we didn't had a plan to provide a cot for this room. But at the same time, we were worried about the cot when parents or in-laws visits us. When we explained this requirement to Dream Dots, they came up with the invisible bed which was very helpful for us. Here comes the beautiful kids bedroom for our beautiful daughters. We wanted to make sure it doesn't go out-fashioned in a while. Hence, we decided with the color combination of white blended with pink and grey. Kids' bedroom was really executed very well, and we were very happy with the way it came out after the completion of our interior. As we come to master bedroom, we were very sure that we want to use white in our sliding wardrobe. We also added a false ceiling to master bedroom so that it gives a dreamy and romantic look. As we are IT professionals, Dream Dots suggested us to have a study table in our master bedroom. We are very happy with Dream Dot work, especially in this pandemic situation. They made sure they put their best and delivered the house to us in time. We would definitely recommend Dream Dots to all our friends and family. Thank you Dream Dots for connecting the dots and making our dream come true.